Good morning, all of you. We are doing mathematics chapter number 2, Roman numerals, and we have completed the chapter. Today we will start doing progress worksheet number 1. Here we will get some questions in mental mathematics. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here I have done one for you. Number 1C. Roman numbers I can be subtracted from dash and dash. Roman number I can be subtracted only from dash and dash. Then from where? It would be subtracted from V and X. Except this, I cannot be subtracted from any other numbers. Okay. Number 2, that is very easy. You will do it by your own. Only you have to select the correct answers. Okay. Now we will move to solve the answers. I have done question number 3D for you. 3D. What is the question over there? Write the following numerals in Roman numeral systems. So 3D is 891. How we will write? 891 would be written like D C C C X C I. How it is written? We know D equals to 500, C equals to 100, X equals to 10 and I equals to 1. So D 500 plus 100 plus 100 and XC is equals to 100 minus 10 and I equals to 1 is equals to 891. Now we will move to question number 4, and the question asks, write the following numerals in the Hindu-Arabic numeral systems. Question number 4 is asking, write the following numerals in the Hindu-Arabic numeral systems. And question number 4E I have done for you. Question number 4E. Question number 4E is asking DCCCII, and it would be written in Hindu Arabic as 802. How it is possible to write 802? Because we know D equals to 500, C equals to 100 and I equals to 1. So for D 500, for C 100, for again 1C, 100, again 1C, 100, and for I 1 plus 1. Total is equals to 802. Here comes the answer. DCCCII equals to 802. Now we will move to question number 5. What is the question? The question asks, which of the following are not written as per the rules? So as we know that there are 5 rules for writing Roman numerals. Which of the following numbers are following these rules and which of the numbers are not following the rules? The numbers which are not following the rules are 5A, 5B, 5D and 5F. Okay, so what is written in 5A? 5A is written VVI. VVI. It is very uncommon because we can't write two V's together. We haven't seen two V's written together because it is out of the rule. We have to follow the rules, and the rules, 5 rules, whatever it is telling, we have to obey that rule. In these 5 rules, there is nothing written that we can write two V's together. Okay. Now number B, XLL. Again, this is wrong because we can't write two L together. Why? Because in the 5 rules, there is nothing written that 2L should be written together anywhere. Could be written together anywhere. Okay, now number D. Number D, ICC. ICC. We can't put I before C because it is not written in the rule. I should not be put before C. I, today only, sometimes ago we have read Roman numerals I can be subtracted from V and X. Similarly, I cannot be written before C here in D. So this one is also wrong. This one is also written out of the rule. Now number F. XDC. Same here. We can't put X before D. We can't write X before D because it is out of the rule. And rest of the numbers are according to the rules. Only two numbers are according to the rules. Number C, XL, and number E, CM. Now, and number G also, CDL. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 7 numbers, 4 numbers are written wrong and 3 numbers are written correctly. Now we will move to question number 6. What is the question asking? Find the value of the following using the Roman numerals. So 4 questions are given, A, B, C, D. I have done one for you. Question number 6B. 6B is asking CLXV plus CII. According to the rules, we have to put the numbers and put the Hindu Arabic number against the number. So CLXV could be written as 165. How it is written 165? Because we know C equals to 100, L equals to 50, X equals to 10 and V equals to 5. So 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5 equals to 165. Now CII is equals to 102. How? Because C equals to 100, I equals to 1. So 100 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 102. Now after adding these two numbers 165 and 102, we will get 267. So 267 could be written as CCLXV11. Okay, now we can write CLXV plus CII equals to CCLXVII. This is the required answer. Now we will move to question number 7. Question number 7 is asking, solve the following and write the answers using the Roman numerals. It is, the numbers are given in Hindu Arabic number and we have to solve this number, and after solving we have to put the number in and we have to use the Roman numerals. The answer we have to write in Roman numerals. I have done extra here for you so that you will be able to understand number 6 also and number 7. So what is this asking? 56. I have done 7C for you. 56 plus 30. We know 56 plus 30 equals to 86. And 86 could be written as LXXXVI. Because L equals to 50, X equals to 10, X equals to 10, X equals to 10, and V equals to 5 and I equals to 1. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals to 86. So we can write 86 as LXXXVI. Okay. So rest of the questions you have to solve by yourself at your home. Next day we will solve another worksheet. Thank you and have a nice day.